Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. SwitchBot adjustable smart roller shades for all windows. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included we have the manual. If you want to read, is your choice, but stay with me, we're going to find out all about this product. It's an adjustable smart roller shade designed to enhance home automation by providing effortless control over your window coverings. With customizable fabrics and a perfect fit for various window sizes, it seamlessly integrates into your living space. Now let's see one by one what we have at the box. We have the plastic band, same length as the fabric roll. Bottom bar, 3 parts. Later I will show you how you can use that. Some screws, small screws for drilling at the wall. Level meter with a tape, I like that. One screwdriver. The cutter. With this cutter you can freely cut the fabric to the desired dimensions. In my case, I will not cut the fabric. The dimensions are correct, 80 cm maximum. And this is perfect for my door or window. One stapler. Nice. Two mounting brackets. You can use these screws and mount it at the wall. One fabric tape. You can use this fabric tape if you decrease the length of the fabric. Two positioning cards. It will help for the installation at the window. One end cap. And cable wrap for cable management. And we have in this wired control, down and up button, and you can charge it, Type-C port. With a cable length 1.5 meters, very convenient. You can connect that here. Type-C port, you can connect the solar panel. With the solar power eliminates the need for recharging, which is very convenient. We have the sensor here at the solar panel, 3M tape, black and white. And inside the solar panel, you can remove this cover. Let me show you. And inside it has a cable, if that is more convenient and you want to use the cable with a length 80 cm. It is your choice. Cable management inside, I just love it. With an output 5 volt, working current 250 mAh. And you can connect that here at the Type-C port. And it will start charging the roller shade. Here we have the restart button, the add device button here, and with one LED indicator. so many accessories to install the roller shade at the wall. Most of these accessories, it will help you to cut the fabric, like this one, the screwdriver, some screws, and here it is the roller shade. It feels very robust, definitely. And of course, to adjust, we have these 4 screws. Use the screwdriver, unscrew and adjust further in or further out. You can do that if you will cut the fabric at the desired length. SwitchBot, fabric adapt. Sharp edges, please handle with care. Thank you for the warning. And of course, if you don't want to use the solar panel, you can just charge the roller shade, power it by 2 rechargeable batteries, 18650 lithium batteries type, 2600 mAh, providing up to 8 months of use on a single charge. And if you install the solar panel, you will forget to charge again. And remember, you don't need to have the sun directly at the solar panel. It can charge and with the daylight. Now the brackets, we have these 2 brackets that it will lock here. Just press and it will lock. You can adjust it further out, further in. You have plenty space. Starting from these screws here, and the end is here. And to remove, just press and remove. That is very nice and very convenient installing and removing from the bracket the roller shade. Now let me show you how to install this bottom bar with a plastic band at the roller shade. And I need this end, customizable fabrics. Choose from a variety of fabric options to match your interior decor and control the amount of light entering your space. It blocks light, insulates and protects privacy. Take this plastic band. The length it is correct. And then use this stapler, starting from the one end. Perfect. And then disassemble this bottom bar, 3 parts. You need to fold the fabric with a plastic band. Insert the middle. And then at the other end, same in here. And I think now it is okay, perfect. Now it is heavy at the end of the fabric. Perfect. Removing these stickers. So let's move on for installation. Enjoy a clutter-free setup with wire-free installation, ensuring a clean and modern look in your home. SwitchBot app I have some other devices from SwitchBot. I have made videos at the past. You can check all these videos down below at the description playlist SwitchBot. Add device, roller shade, connect device, press the add device button for 2 seconds until the white indicator light starts to flash, connect device. You can rename the device, pick a room, next. Determine your installation mode, it is outside window frame. You can watch the guide, the video, skip, choose the rolling direction, reverse or standard. Next. Okay, some informations, got it. Your device, stop it rolling, check whether it's stuck. Roll it up. Set your roller shades, roll it up position. Here it is okay. Next. Set your roller shades to a shading position you like. Okay. Ultra quiet operation. Experience a serene environment with the ultra quiet motor, ensuring minimal noise during operation. That is perfect, and finish. Calibrate successfully. Start using. It is fully closed. You can just slide with your finger up and down. Fully closed. Pause. Fully open. Nice. Customized actions. You can edit. Fully close it. You can adjust 52% or fully close it. You can add 50%, save, another one, 71%, save. And here at the main screen, partially 71%. Or 50%. And it is very quiet. I like all these adjustments, very helpful. Quiet drift control, enable. Wow, I can't hear anything. Or disable. Delay, you can adjust the hour and the minutes, the action, partially open to or fully close it, fully open, motion mode, and save. Schedules, you can create when to turn on or when to turn off your shades, adjust the hour and the minutes, only once, repeat, choose the days of the week, action, adjust, fully open, fully closed, partial, and choose the motion mode and save, disable or delete. Light sensor, here it is for the solar panel, 24 hours, 3 days, 7 days. Automation, you can create automation, current light level, above, below, you can set, action, period, all day or custom, adjust the hour, the minute, begins from, end, and choose the days of the week. And condition, above level 3. Save. And that's how you have created the automation. Settings, roller shade, you can rename the home, the room, customized actions, action panel, fully open, you can adjust, fully close it, control page, calibrate device, you can start again the calibration, create a group. If you have more than one device, you can create a group. You have 2 windows, 3 doors in your living room, and you can open all together or close all together, partially close or open. Pair with SwitchBot remote. You can pair a device and use the SwitchBot remote. Or you can use these 2 buttons for up and down. Conveniently located at the left or at the right with a 1.5 meters of length cable and the cable management. NFC, you can pair SwitchBot tag with your device through NFC for speedy communication. Turn on, turn off, open or close. Third-party services, supports Matter via the Hub 2, control your roller shades with voice assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, Siri shortcuts, IFTTT and SmartThings for hands-free operation. OK Google, open roller shade.
Sure, opening the roller shade.
OK Google, close roller shade.
Got it. Closing the roller shade.
OK Google, pause roller shade. I don't think so it can do that. I can pause. You can share with home members. The other member needs to have a SwitchBot account, logs, resize and install, some information, help and feedback, firmware and battery, fully charge it, device information. And that's the SwitchBot Roller Shade, a smart, seamless and energy efficient way to automate your window coverings. With app control, voice assistant integration and customizable scheduling, it's perfect for enhancing privacy, optimizing lighting and making life just a little easier. If you are interested in picking up the SwitchBot Roller Shade, I left a link in the description below. It's an affiliate link, so using it helps support this channel at no extra cost to you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more smart home tech reviews, automation tips and setup guides. Thanks for watching and as always, stay smart, stay connected and I'll see you in the next video.